Hey guys, Jed's got here. I just got off work. Been helping my buddy down with the 69 Charger up in Spring Hill, and just got home and figured, well, what the hell? It's still daylight out, so we're gonna set up the little camera on the tripod, and we're gonna put some of this heat and sound isolation inside Dad's car. We got two giant rolls, and hopefully we're gonna be able to line the floors completely and do the roof. Of course, we got to clean that still, but the goal right now is just to get the roof or the floors done. So let's get this done for you guys. Well, I can't say enough how much that was a pain in the ass. What do you think, Dad?
Looks nice.
You weren't here for it.
Like just glue her down, sticky stuff.
Yeah, it ain't pretty, but you know what? It actually works. You know, you go from 10 sound to matted sound. My hands hurt. We're having to beat all that shit down in the contours. Well, it ought to keep the car quieter inside and keep some heat. Ought to make it a little more drivable.
It's gotta help.
Even if it doesn't, it's got to do at least a little bit. We got to put your body plugs in your trunk still. But that was a fun little deal to do right after I got home. That didn't take that long. I don't know, what time is it, Dad?
After 7.
Okay, it took a while. I think I started around 6. But yeah, I got it up over the transmission hump right there, all the way back to where the divider will be. And up to each of these wire holder pieces. So yeah, cool. It's done. And I'm happy about it. Are you happy, Dad?
One step closer. I didn't do nothing to it today.
Yeah.
I'm tired. I worked.
As everybody says in the comments, one little job at a time. I was gonna pull that window up, but
Roll it up?
I don't know. Is it not rolled up all the way? No, it's gotta be pulled up. Remember, your little thing broke. Yeah, I get it after the video. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.